Embarking on a journey of ambition and destiny, Ponce de León ships set sail from Spain towards the uncharted shores of Florida. The year 1513 marks the beginning of an epic quest as Ponce de León ventures into the unknown. The Florida coastline emerges, a beacon of hope and untold possibilities, as Ponce de León's ships approach the New World. On the sun-kissed Florida coast, a dramatic reenactment unfolds as Ponce de León, adorned in conquistador armor, takes his first steps onto the pristine beach. With unwavering resolve, his men follow, firmly planting the Spanish flag in the golden sand, symbolizing a bold declaration of dominion. Under the vast, azure sky, the flag waves triumphantly in the gentle sea breeze, claiming Florida for Spain. In the heart of Florida's wilderness, Ponce de León crew cautiously steps onto the sandy shore, their sun-bleached armor a stark contrast to the untouched landscape. Towering cypress trees, draped in Spanish moss, bear silent witness as the Native Americans emerge from the verdant backdrop, their painted bodies telling tales of a world unknown. The clash of cultures ignites a silent dialogue of gestures and wary glances, a palpable tension hanging heavy in the humid air. A historical moment is captured as first encounters is displayed. The Florida landscape unfolds in a vibrant panorama, revealing nature's untouched beauty. The words, La Florida, land of flowers, emerge on the screen, a poetic testament to the region's floral origins. The dream of Spanish dominion crumbles under the fierce resistance of Native American warriors, a brutal testament to a failed colonial ambition. Amidst the chaos of battle, the on-screen text proclaims, "Failed colonization attempt, 1521, a solemn epitaph for shattered dreams." The sun sets on the colonial settlement, casting long shadows over the battlefield, a somber reminder of the lives lost and the dreams abandoned. Under the radiant sun, St. Augustine rises as a vibrant tableau of enduring legacy. The architecture whispers tales of resilience and cultural synthesis, embodying the spirit of a timeless settlement. The narrator declares, "St. Augustine, a lasting legacy." Images of modern Florida unfold, capturing its vibrant essence beneath the radiant sun. The scene dramatically shifts to an old map, revealing Florida's historical transformation into a U.S. territory. The historical moment is immortalized on screen. 1819, Florida becomes U.S. territory.